Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. So in this video we will learn practically the backlinking. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can right away go to the settings, and on the settings you can go to this section upload defaults, and in description you can post your website link. So here you can see that I have created this link. Visit infotainment portal of Pakistan, and here I just placed the website link. So now it will appear on in description of every new video. So similarly you can do that, and then you can save it. So now YouTube channel has the link, and now whenever we will actually create a new video, we will have that content. Similarly, if we go to the YouTube itself, and if we have the relevant content, so for example tech, and let's go to tech, and here you can see that we have some relevant video, and you have a content related to this Samsung Z Flip 5 for example. Then what you can do, you can go to the comments, and here on the comments you can place your website simply. So it is another type of backlink. So let's add it. Visit Pakistan TV, and I'm just going to add this link and comment, and now this link is created, and whenever someone when he will read the comments, he will just click on your comment, and that will be directed to the Pakistan TV website. So this is another method. One other method is the blogs. So for example, we can go to the blog, any tech blogs websites, which will allow us the for example the comments, or you can actually use certain forums, etc., like different type of forums. On that forums as well you can comment your website. So for example, here is as AI benefits both the risk, and you have the similar content, and you can come here, and if they have the system, you can see that we can create account, and then we can comment. So if you want to want to paste a link here, you can just log in, you can create account, log in, and then you can comment. You can share your link as well. Okay, so that is another type of backlinking. So there are a lot of methods. One other method of backlinking is yellow pages. So you can just find out yellow pages. For example, yellowpages.ca is a website, and here you can go and you can just add your website to these yellow pages. For that, I think you have to log in, and then you have to paste your business over here as well. Okay, similarly on the Yelp and some other websites are there which can deal with as a yellow pages. So this is another way of creating backlinks. One other way of creating backlink is classified websites. So you can go to classified websites, post an ad, and some websites need to log in, and some websites without login you can post the ads. So here let's select the entertainment maybe. Okay, sorry, these are the services. So for example, it's not necessity to select the specific field. We are just going to add our ad. So here Pakistan, okay, and then we will just enter. And I think this website has little bit we have to log in first for adding the ad, but anyhow you can see that in this way you can create an ad, and if possible you can paste your link in the description of these ads. Okay, so in this way there are a lot of ways, for example the bigger website OLX. Okay, and you can paste ad on this OLX as well, and just add a link of your website. Similarly, you can create your profiles on LinkedIn and Instagram, Pinterest, and then on that on Twitter as well, and on that pages you should add your website link. And similarly, you can add your website links to certain other platforms, like specific websites, and every website, whenever you create a account in profile section, you can paste the link of your website. So in this way you will have a lot of backlinking. It looks very simple, but it's very powerful. And you should add your links to all the social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc., TikTok, YouTube, etc. And after that you should add your website to yellow pages and the classified websites in your region. So for example, if you are in Dubai, you can type Dubai classified, and then you will find out some of the popular websites here, and you can go to that websites and you can paste your ads, and with ads you can paste the links. If even you will not found the place of the links, then even you should paste the ad with the image and with some description with keywords. Okay, so that will improve your ranking and search index. So these are certain methods which I have discussed with you, that how you can create the backlinks. And the last method is to find out the business email addresses. Certain times some communities will share email addresses with you, and then on that email addresses or on the WhatsApp numbers you can share your website around the globe, and in the result you will get the backlinks from all the resources. So that's it for this video. In next section we'll move further. Goodbye.